Hi everyone. Today we are going to have a interactive tool as part of the project or your subject integrated product development foundation to integrated product development. In that, we are trying to establish new prototyping tools which can be adopted for modern time software development. So in this line, I would like to introduce you to a tool, Wimsical, which I have also indicated in the class lesson. So just Google this name and then go into the website. So as you open, so already I have created a login ID, but when you're going for the first time, it will ask to create a login. Please do it. Like you can use your mail IDs associated with the college also. So use it and then give some credentials. You will receive a mail, welcome mail. From that, you will be directed to get into the website. So since I have done all these things, I have landed here. We will try to learn how to use this tool for wireframing. So let me talk about what a wireframing is. Wireframing is a type of prototype which can be used like it is like a drawing which we make on the paper with the paper and pen for somebody to understand, right? So it is similar to that, but it is digital. The advantage is like I can share this with a team. So, and as I told you, prototyping is basically for making your ideas understandable to someone, correct? So, and for this purpose, if we like further boil down to the case of software development, then and again, if it is a mobile app, then how that mobile app will appear even before writing a program to how to develop all these things, we will give a how that final application will look like, because that is important from the point of view of the customer, correct? So the customer will like or dislike the product based on how that app is appearing, correct? So this is the basic idea behind using this tool. Let us try to find out about what it is trying to teach us. So as you go to the left, you will see create a new design. Just click on it, and apart from this wiring diagram, so many other things are also possible to do with this tool. Like you can prepare documents, you can have a group project discussion, you can create a task list, you can post something for decision making among your team, and all those things are also possible. But today we are going to concentrate on wireframing. And again, in the apart from wireframing, this comes under the broader classification of board. Okay, so in that board also, again, we can make flowcharts. So all of us know that before making a good program, we should draw a flowchart. That can be done. Mind mapping, so mind mapping is very important for you to understand the overall view of some concept. That also can be done. Today we will be discussing about wireframe. So once I put enter into it, again we see some tabs appearing here. So whether I want to make diagrams or shapes, that's the first option. Second option is whether I want to make a sticky note for some application. Third one is wireframe model. Fourth one is a mind mapping tool where it is diagrammically you can like remember something. It will help in that. And then task mode where I can like bundle up my tasks and connect it to my calendar to perform it better. So today we'll concentrate on the wireframing. I will put an enter in it, and again we see so many elements here. I will just tell you what these elements are, and then we have frames, um, and we can add connecting connectors to our diagram. We can add text to our diagram. That is the next one, and we can add several icons. So all of us know the name icon like cloth, whether it is like we were going to do something related to eyes, or something related to eatables, or textile. So we have so many icons which we can add. After that, we have so many other items also under the. We can add links, you can make one thing of your own, you can add AI. You have already some templates are there inside itself which you can use readily. So many things are there. To begin with, I will explain how to make a um, front end model for a mobile phone. So here also we see whether it is plain means you can create anything. If it is a flowchart, then we go with the plain. Then we can also create templates for laptop based items. You can do it for an iPhone. I just click it. See how it is appearing. It is just open, right? See, this is the open screen which I can move and add items. Let me reduce the zooming so that you are able to see the full screen. So this is how it appears. And then it can also be an iPhone model. See, iPhone picture model also we can have, which will fit directly on how that iPhone thing will appear. Or it can be an Android also. So in case of an Android, it is the appearance is little different, that's it. Like that we can do also for a tablet, iWatch, anything. So it depends upon for which application you want to do the prototyping. So let me delete this. So if I'm doing for an Android, I will use this. Okay. Um, so now this is the opening page, how it will look like, right? So here, suppose I want to add my company logo, then it should be an image, right? I will select the image icon. I'll put it here. So upload of the images, that we can do when we are doing the programming. Now we are just prototyping, right? So after that, suppose I want some authentication. I have to use a box, uh, like this. I can use a box. Inside this, I can add text, or directly I can use the text box itself. So I'll put a text box here where I will ask for a name. Okay. I can add one more text box where I will ask to enter the password. Okay. So like that we can do, suppose I want it is something related to e-commerce or something. I can add that logo also here. Okay. So like that, whichever idea for which I'm prototyping, relevantly their basic items are already there, I will add this. So this is one provision. Let me go to the templates and show you which is already developed and kept for us. uh, Suppose I want to do some fast prototyping, then I can use this. So let me use the simple product wireflow. Okay. So let me go for a new one, again a board, and in that I'm going to use this. Okay. So it is giving the description of what it is doing. So let me click on a e-commerce wireflow. E-commerce, maybe all of you are familiar, something we want to like buy online, then it is called as e-commerce. So here, if you look at, this is the opening page, how it will appear. Let me zoom it for you. Okay. So this is the opening page. Uh, right. Okay. So here it is. So suppose it is a website selling books, then we will have a product display page. Suppose there are hundreds and hundreds of book, then I will have to select whether it is a children's book, it is an educational book, or a fiction book, or a drawing book, or whatever. That can be given here. Then the pictures of multiple books will appear here, correct? And in that, suppose I'm clicking on this. Okay, it will move to the specifically to the description of that book. It will come here, maybe the cover page will come here, the reviews given by viewers can come here, price of the book, whether I have decided to purchase that book now. Okay. Normally we see an add to cart like symbol which can be added. And then now we see the flow diagram sort of thing coming here. So once now we either it will be a go back to the previous screen, or I have decided to go and buy this book or see more details on the book. So that can come here as a decision. So suppose I'm clicking this, then it is an yes. It will be added to my cart, which is I want to have that book in my cart and want to decide whether I want to buy or not. So let us see the next screen. So in the shopping cart, now I selected this book, it will appear here along with the price. So here again, I can go back to the first screen and browse for other books also, or at this point finish the buying and get out of the website. So in that case, here now this is the basic price is given here. Maybe something added here, I can give a discount at this point, or I can essentially taxes will get added. So now, if I have decided to buy it now, it will ask for the address details, correct? Address to which that book has to be like sent. So we will look at that, and then suppose it is freezed, then I will give a bill for that particular book, basic price. If any taxes are coming, if any discounts are coming, I will add all these things and put it in one page. Correct. So this is the now if you see, we have not done any app, but how that app will work, we are able to visualize. Correct. And in this point, if you want to add some details or delete some details, it is really possible. It is easier to freeze how the user will experience that particular product, come to a point that okay, this is the best thing for this product, and then we go back and do the programming in the Android app itself. So this is the advantage of this wireframe model. So if you see, it goes to the final page like thank you, your order will be processed and delivered in so many days and all those things. As we see, suppose here so there is some error, we have to consider all the points. If there is an error, either we will go, because here payment will portal will come here. If there is any problem with the payment, then again we have to go here and process. So all these things we have to like visualize what will happen step by step, and this type of prototyping helps here a lot. So let me check out one more application of so again, simple. I will go there. I think there are a few more templates there itself. I will try to use them. So e-commerce is the one which we were looking in now. Let me see if there are any more templates available. Okay, it is taking some time before it is getting loaded. Let us see. Or it has gone somewhere. Let me check it out. Okay. So one more login page example is here. Suppose I'm doing an onboarding, then maybe just as we started, we can put one image here. A sign in is required, a password is required, and then if it is a new user, then a uh, user information page is needed, where we take the name, address, and all those things, and we go in as let us get started. Okay. Let us get started with that particular. Then what are your interests, we can ask whether I'm suppose I want to try a new exercising pattern, whether I want to enroll for some new education programs, like that we can ask for a profile information. Okay. So now sign in, again sign in, and we can go for some authentication windows and all this. So this is another example of typically all these things, authentication will come for all the applications. So I hope you had an understanding of Wimsical, how to use it for prototyping. I would recommend that you try this. It is free only, free. You can try it for some particular application and get back to me with your positive notes. I'm looking eagerly to see all your responses on how we are going to um, develop a prototype with this physically. So thanks for joining today. Let us prototype and experiment.